I've been in love with the idea of crepe cakes since I ate them first time. Filled with many layers of green tea crepe cakes and fluffy mascarpone cheese, gives this cake delicate and wonderful creamy flavor, which makes this crepe cake simple, elegant, and deceptively delicious. I hope this dessert becomes your new favorite. Let's start first with crepe ingredients. In a large bowl, add 1 egg with 2 cups of all-purpose flour and pinch of salt. As well, for some extra flavors, add vanilla sugar and water. Mix or blend until well combined. We don't want to end up with any lumps in our crepes. Next, add gradually matcha powder and mix. If you are looking for perfect smooth consistency, you can always sieve the mixture. If you see the batter seems a little bit too thick, you can always add a small amount of extra water. We are looking for a watery batter, just like that. For the next step, heat a medium non-stick pan over medium heat. Add a tiny dot of butter or olive oil and spread it around to lightly coat. Once the olive oil is hot, add the mixture butter. Enough just to lightly coat bottom of the pan, swirling the skillet as you add the butter to evenly coat the bottom of the pan. Saute about 30 seconds per side or until golden brown. Flip using a thin-edged spatula and saute another 30 seconds. Then slide each crepe on a clean plate and allow to cool down completely. For the cream, in the separate bowl, crack 1 egg. Add sugar and whisk. Then we'll add vanilla extract with flour. Continue mixing. Next, we'll add cold milk. Then we'll transfer to a small saucepan and cook on low-medium heat by whisking all the time until you have thick custard. Remove from the heat, cover, and pop it to the fridge to cool down. To have perfect, even shape of crepes, use baking ring mold to cut just like that. Now let's start to make the yummy filling. Cold egg custard beat on high speed for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Then gradually add Italian mascarpone cheese. You have to make sure it's room temperature. In the separate bowl, beat on high speed cold whipped cream with sugar for approximately again 6 to 8 minutes. We are looking for stiff consistency, just like that. Then slowly combine whipped cream with mascarpone egg mixture. This way your cream will have this beautiful fluffy, airy consistency. And now is the fun part. Place the first crepe layer into your serving platter and spread 1 large tablespoon of cream. Add blueberries and cover with the next matcha layer. And you will repeat all of them the same until the last crepe. To have this beautiful, elegant touch, decorate your cake all around with the cream. Using 118 tip, decorate the top of your cake with the cream. With this step, you want to end up with precision, so take your time. Because we are working on matcha crepe cake, for my final touch, I sprinkle the cake with matcha powder. And what do you think? Looks cute, yes? And this beauty you want to refrigerate overnight. For this cake, we can't forget about delicious fancy sauce. I prepare blueberry sauce. Let me show you how to make it. On high heat, cook blueberry with sugar and water. Then you will sift the juice and press the remaining fruits. And you will get this yummy, easy sauce. Let me know what do you think about this cake. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to like this video and of course subscribe. I hope to see you guys next time. Bon appétit!